Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is the critical importance of supply chain basics. Fundamentals rule. So why am I saying this? Well, if we think back a year or two, Boeing was experiencing quality control issues. In fact, there was a lot of concern on the news about parts of planes falling from the skies. Definitely a problem. On the other hand, they are on track in 2025 to turn that around and produce and ship more planes than they have since 2018. On the other hand, Airbus is now experiencing supply chain issues, quality control issues. Their forecasts for 2025 are 15% off of their goal, and their A220 product line is experiencing delays and issues, with 22% of those planes grounded, 27% are experiencing a recall. If we look back into their supply chain, their Pratt & Whitney engines, although more fuel efficient, quiet, and lower emissions, they have a production bottleneck causing these delays. So what should we take away? We have got to focus on our fundamentals: safety, quality, service, production, purchasing, planning, and use of ERP and related systems are essential. Start there and then focus on the upgrades.